we're back at the shop. Normally we just do shorts on these wrap jobs, but this one we're gonna actually make a video on how to wrap a stock Miata bumper. This is a project that's been in and out of here for a while. If you recognize it, these are the rebuilt wheels from the Civic project, and goddamn, they look so much better on this, especially when it's on the ground and they're aired out. But this is the stock bumper, and we have a method here for doing this that is a little different, and there's not a lot of here on the proper method for wrapping a stock bumper. And it comes into, there's a couple of issues. There is a channel, you can see the channel there that runs along the top, and it's got a pretty big double curve. So the way we do it is divide the bumper into 3 pieces. So there is a top piece that goes here. There is a side piece that wraps around this panel. And then because of the big double curve right here, there is a 3rd piece that goes underneath that kind of cuts in, and that piece comes from the piece right here that gets cut out because of the top piece going down. So that's the template, and we'll show you how it goes on. What we've done is cut a 7-piece by about 36 inches. I think it just ended up being because of the wrap size, but then we cut a square out of the middle of it that is 42 inches by about 25 inches. So we're left with that U piece that goes there, and that's what's gonna lay down on the top of the bumper, but we're gonna put this down first. This is the inlay on the underside, and the reason that one goes down first is because you want each layer is gonna overlap just about 1/8 of an inch, and you want your bottom layer to be on the bottom, so as water runs off, it runs off the upper layer to the bottom layer and down, rather than hitting the bead and then you have a chance of getting water in between the layers. So this one has to go on first, underneath. Okay, Andrew's laying the knifeless tape down underneath.
Give me my knife.
Yeah.
Dent right there.
In the bumper?
Mm-hmm.
Why is he huge?
He's fucking huge. He's been posting stuff that I texted her and told him. So he really considered working out.
I have more tape, but I don't need it for
Oh, you're fine.
All right, so the knifeless tape is laid in the channel. Next step is the middle piece. And that's just a straight up piece we're gonna wrap around on the outside.
They're like $30 sockets. I didn't want to go buy one, so I was just trying to use one that was too big.
All right, so the middle piece is almost done. All right, so the bottom piece went on first, second piece, the main part, and now here comes the tough one, is the 1-piece top. All right, so we're laying the top piece in, and this is the U shape from where it's left over. So what we've done is pulled the backing off for 1/2, and you lay this part down. So then this side the U over here will lay down over here, but we're kind of doing one side at a time. And this way, we're able to do the bumper with no visible seams. So this is a stock Miata bumper. There's one seam that's in the channel that you're not gonna see at all. And then there's the other seam down underneath on this one side right here. But it's so low on the car, you're not gonna see it. So there it is, seamless Miata bumper. So here's the U piece all laid down. And you can see Andrew did relief cuts as we worked our way around the corner in the U, just so we can lay it all down. And now it's just a matter of finishing it out, pulling off the knifeless tape, and then post heating.